Traditional epoxy repair applications require messy mixing cups or sticks to prep for small repairs. Tifco's line of USA-made Tif-Fix Epoxy Putties simplifies this process with a no-mess application method, meaning small repairs can be completed in just minutes. The Tif-Fix line of epoxy sticks are 3.5 inches in length and come in these resealable tubes with the correct ratio of epoxy and catalyst, making it easy to use smaller amounts without waste. Today, we're going to use ReoairItQuick, one of the epoxy stick options in the Tif-Fix line to repair a hole in a piece of pipe. Simply cut off the amount of epoxy you need, then knead it together until it is a solid color. You'll notice the epoxy is hard to combine at first, but as you mix it, it will soften and warm up. Keep in mind, all epoxy releases fumes, so you'll want to be in a well-ventilated area. Finally, apply the mixture to your surface within the working time frame. The epoxy bonds instantly, and once cured, it can be drilled, tapped, filed, carved, sanded, or painted for exceptional versatility across a wide range of projects and materials. Exact curing times and work life vary depending on which Tif-Fix product is being used. Generally, it takes approximately 1 hour for Tif-Fix epoxies to fully cure at room temperature. Regardless of your exact application, one of Tifco's 9 Tif-Fix formulas will be right for you. There's ReoairItQuick, a great all-around epoxy. It bonds to metal, wood, glass, concrete, ceramics, and many plastics. ReoairItQuick cures to an off-white color and is suitable for interior or exterior use. FastSteel is used to repair anything made of steel and most other metals. It cures to a dark metallic gray color and is suitable for interior or exterior use. QuickCopper is used to repair copper, brass, bronze, and other non-ferrous metals. It is commonly used to fix leaks in metal pipes and tubing. QuickCopper can also bond to damp and slowly leaking surfaces. QuickAluminum is used in many industrial, automotive, and commercial maintenance applications. It is commonly used on things like aluminum casting, tanks, tubing, and refrigeration. QuickPlastic is great for plastic repairs, such as sealing leaks in PVC or ABS plastic used in plumbing applications. QuickWood Light and QuickWood Dark are both used to repair damage to wood. AquaMed is a must for marine application. It bonds to damp, wet, or submerged surfaces such as metal, wood, glass, concrete, and plastic. AquaMed also offers excellent adhesion to PVC and will not yellow when exposed to sunlight. QuickTitanium bonds and repairs materials that will be exposed to high temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit.